Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to review and walk through this new investment platform product by Touch N Go eWallet. And this new investment product, GoInvest, is a goal-based investment platform. So open your Touch N Go app on your phone. And before we continue, I appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more real estate investment and home videos. So in your Touch N Go app, if GoInvest is not on your home page, click More. And then look for Financial Services where you will find GoInvest. Tap it. So through GoInvest, you can invest with Principal in a convenient way. And Principal is in alliance with CIMB Bank. So currently as of this video, you can invest with only one fund, and that is the Principal Islamic Money Market Fund, and it is a Shariah-Compliant fund. So in the near future, they hope to add in more funds which you can invest in as well. And so going back to GoInvest, you can invest from as low as 10 ringgit, and the projected returns are up to 2.7% per annum. And this projected return rate is the gross return rate, which includes the management and trustees fees. So to know more about Principal and more information about GoInvest and Principal also, you can go to the information tabs below. And so for investors who want to invest in GoInvest, they have to be aged above 18 years old and above, and have to make a minimum deposit of 10 ringgit. So let's get started. If you have not done your KYC, you need your name, ID, nationality, address, date of birth, occupation, nature of business, profile name, mobile, email, and user ID to be verified. So we're going to agree here. And then make sure that your relevant identification information and contact information and employment information and other information. And then once you are done, click next. And then you'll be brought to the next page where you can select your financial goal or general savings if you do not have a specific goal. So if you want to save towards a specific goal, then dream wedding, dream house, education, vacation, hobbies, retirement plan, dream car, and lifestyle. So for example, we're going to choose lifestyle as our financial goal. So you can even rename your goal and then put in the amount that you want to save and when you want to achieve your goal. And your goal, you can achieve it in 1 month to 84 months. So for this example, I want to save 1000 ringgit in 12 months. So with a 2.7% projected return rate, I have to have a monthly cash in of 82 ringgit and 33 cents monthly. So that means every month I have to deposit into GoInvest 82 ringgit and 33 cents to be able to save 1000 ringgit and have a net return of 12 ringgit and 13 cents. However, if you don't have a specific goal in mind, you can do a general savings, which we are going to do here in today's video. So click general saving and then you can cash in with minimum 10 ringgit. So I'm going to put in 100 ringgit and then click cash in. So you can cash in from your online bank account or Touch N Go eWallet. So in this example video, I'm going to do it from my Touch N Go eWallet. So tick the box on read and agreed FPX terms and conditions and then click next. And then your payment will be processed. So confirm the payment and then pay. And then you have to key in your Touch N Go PIN. So the cash in has been submitted for processing, and the cash in request will be processed in 2 business days. So if you have questions about GoInvest, leave it in the comments below, and have a great day and week ahead.